Welcome back to Tech Grid Zone. Today, we're diving into the ultimate lineup of top 5 cool gadgets of 2024 you need in your life. From cutting-edge tech to practical tools, we've found the coolest gear that's ready to transform your daily routine. Let's jump right in. Transform your driving experience with the weBoost Drive X. Boasting 33% greater gain than the Drive Sleek, it reduces dropped calls, improves voice quality, speeds up internet, and enhances streaming on the road, even in remote areas. Compatible with 5G networks and multi-user friendly, every passenger can enjoy better signals from major U.S. carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and T-Mobile. FCC approved and equipped with an easy installation guide, this tool-free setup makes connectivity accessible for any car, truck, or SUV. Stay connected wherever your journey takes you with the weBoost Drive X. Meet the DiscoverIt DefCon DD1206, a professional-grade RF detector designed to locate hidden signals. With dual antenna coverage spanning 50 MHz to 12 GHz, it detects GSM, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and RF signals up to 2 meters away. Choose from 4 modes: silent, sound, vibration, and mixed. Its special correlation feature catches FM transmitters via sound and visual indicators. Built with microprocessor control and sensitivity adjustment, the device helps avoid interference even in high-signal areas. With this tool, get peace of mind and confidently detect hidden devices in any situation. Introducing the LaserPecker LP1 Pro, a compact portable laser engraver perfect for DIY projects. Lightweight and USB-powered, it fits easily in your hand or bag. Equipped with a precise 0.15mm violet laser, it engraves wood, leather, fabric, and more, creating custom designs on small items. With safety features like goggles, motion detection, and overheat shutdown, it's user-friendly and secure. Use the app via Bluetooth to upload images, text, or G-code files. For small engraving tasks anywhere, LaserPecker LP1 Pro is your versatile companion with a long-lasting laser source. Capture every detail with the GODOX Virso M2 wireless lavalier mic. Boasting a 200-meter range with 2.4 GHz stability, it delivers clear, interference-free sound in crowded spaces. The transmitter records up to 400 hours of backup audio on a microSD card, preventing clipping with a 36 dB safety track. With dual charging options, enjoy up to 13 hours per charge, plus a 3500 mAh charging case for on-the-go use. Compatible with various devices, its compact design makes it ideal for content creation. Choose mono stereo modes for tailored audio, perfect for vlogs, interviews, or conferences. Be prepared for anything with the Atomic Bear Tactical Pen, a versatile tool for self-defense and survival. Crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum, it combines a smooth ballpoint pen with a glass breaker, flashlight, and multi-tool. Built tough and water-resistant, this pen includes a bottle opener and screwdriver, and it's ready for emergencies with 12 batteries and 3 ink refills. A perfect gift for those valuing safety and practicality, it even comes with an online self-defense course. Write smoothly, stay protected, and handle any situation discreetly with this powerful, everyday tool. And there you have it, our top 5 cool gadgets for 2024 from Amazon. If you're ready to elevate your tech game, be sure to check out the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content from Tech Grid Zone. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.